Is it okay to pet?
I'm just kidding. You guys rock.
No pet? Can I pet?
Real quick. That could be sexual battery, right? That could
Sexual-
take you to jail.
I asked you.
Can I pet him?
Come over on my side.
Your side? All right. Very, very nice, man. Very nice. How you doing, man? Can I pet it?
If you want to do this front shoulder.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad.
Let you do that. If you were doing it, I wasn't gonna let you.
Walk around.